Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will take a quick look at the basic formatting of charts. Firstly, you can select your information, go to the Insert tab, and insert a chart that you require. You can also use a recommended charts function to look at different recommendations Excel makes depending on the type of data set. If we do not see something we like here, we can use the All Charts function to select the chart that we want. For this purpose, we will use the column chart. From here, we have various choices of able to format the chart to our required need. At the bottom, we have the x-axis, and at the top, we have our y-axis. Excel names this horizontal and vertical axes. We have various different formatting options that is pre-built into Excel, which we can access from the ribbon or on the side of the chart. Firstly, we have various chart elements, such as adding or removing the horizontal or vertical axes. We can add axis titles, chart titles, data labels, data tables, etc. This can be accessed from the ribbon as well through the menu at the far left-hand side. We also have various formatting options, from changing the style of the chart or even the color palette of the chart itself. This can be added from the chart styles options as well as the colors options in the ribbon. The ribbon also contains a quick layout, which can completely change the layout of your chart to suit the needs of how you want to display your information. Other options on the ribbon is the switch row and column option. By default, your data will be read from the table of information from the left to the right. Therefore, the chart has displayed the months on the horizontal axis with the data, in this case, the currency value, as chart information. If we swap the row and column, these two data points will be swapped around. Here you can see it now displays the budget and spend within the horizontal axis and displays the months as the values next to each other. You can simply go back to the other view by selecting switch row and column. You can also choose the select data option to create any changes, for example, adding additional information or editing your subheadings. Notice the switch row and column option is also available from this select data source menu. You can also change your chart type from this ribbon. For example, if you want to use a line, pie, bar, or any other type of chart. And you can also use the move chart option if you want to move the chart to a new sheet. The chart also has a filter option if there's certain specific data that you would not want to display, as well as a names option to include or exclude the names given by default. This was just a basic look of charts, and we will take a more in-depth look in later videos. I trust that you enjoy this video, and remember to like and subscribe.